Hey everyone, if we're exploring new career opportunities, LinkedIn's Open to Work or Open to Change feature is a helpful way to let recruiters know that we're ready for our next move. We need to update these settings, including our career goals, preferred roles, and location, to make sure we attract the right opportunities. Today, we'll show you how to update your Open to preferences on LinkedIn and keep your job search focused on your goals. Updating your Open to Change settings on LinkedIn helps recruiters and hiring managers see the most accurate and current information about your career and interests. We can adjust details such as job titles, industries, work locations, job types, and work arrangements like remote or on-site. Keeping these preferences updated helps LinkedIn suggest more relevant job opportunities and increases our chances of being contacted by recruiters who are searching for candidates with our interests and qualifications. Updating this feature also shows that we are actively managing our professional profile and are serious about our careers. Let's look at how to set up your Open to settings on LinkedIn. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to www.linkedin.com. Next, log into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your homepage. To find the Open to section, go to the menu with your profile picture. Click the drop-down beside your picture. Then go to View Profile. Below your profile picture, you'll see the Open to section. Here, you can choose if you are looking for a new job, hiring, providing services, or searching for volunteer opportunities. In these four options, just select what you are open to or interested in. For example, if you're open to a new job, select Open to a New Job. After you click that, wait for the page to load. It may take a moment to refresh. When it appears, we can set job titles, locations, and specific areas within those locations. We can also choose if we want to start immediately or set a flexible start date. Here, we decide if the position is part-time or full-time. We also choose if we want recruiters only or all LinkedIn members to see our status. For example, if we select all LinkedIn members, just set it to that option. If we don't want to continue, we can select No Thanks. Now, a new badge will appear to show we are open to work. This lets others know we are interested in new opportunities. Our profile will now display that we are open to work. If we want to change this, we go back to the Open to Work section. If we are hiring or providing a service, we can also remove this badge by clicking the Edit button. As shown here, we can delete the badge or simply remove the Open to Work badge by ticking the box. We can set it to Remote only or adjust it based on our preferences or what we are looking for. If we already have a job and are not looking for anything new, we can delete this option. Our profile will be updated and the badge will be gone. Keeping our career interest updated helps us stay visible to the right recruiters and ensures we receive job opportunities that match our goals. It's important to review our settings regularly, especially if our career plans change.